It's very easy. Take 3 bananas, 50 grams of sugar. Add the sugar to the bananas. Grab 2 eggs. Sorry, a bit long here. Need to cut that probably. Okay. Add eggs to the sugar and bananas. Grab the milk. Half glass of milk. Add the milk to the banana, sugar and eggs. And beat with the blender. Sorry for noise. Here we go. Then in separate bowl you can put 1 glass of flour, which is approx 150 grams. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix the baking powder with flour and then add all this to the dough and mix. There we go. Time to be proud of yourself. Heat up the pans on max. Put some vegetable oil. Excess you can put back into the dough or in the glass. Then you can lower the temperature. And the time turn the on. Yeah. And then make some fun. Put the kettle on and enjoy. Put some comments for my son. Cool guys, thank you.